Greetings, fellow adventurers! Welcome to another exciting episode of our travel series. Today, Cicia and I are taking you on an epic journey through the heart of Mongolia, a land of vast, untouched beauty. Through Mongolia? Say hi, Cicia! She's as excited as I am to explore this incredible country. Mongolia is known for its breathtaking landscapes where nature's grandeur is on full display. From rolling steppes that stretch as far as the eye can see to rugged mountains that touch the sky. But today we're on a mission to find Cicia's favorite thing in the world, lakes. She absolutely loves them. In the world, lakes. And Mongolia has some of the most beautiful lakes you'll ever see. Our first stop is the stunning Lake Khövsgöl, a true gem of Mongolia, often referred to as the blue pearl of Mongolia. Its pristine waters are a sight to behold. Cicia can't wait to dip her paws in. Look at this, Cicia. The water is so inviting. The water is crystal clear, almost like a mirror reflecting the sky, and it's surrounded by beautiful pine forests. The air here is so fresh and invigorating, and just like that, Cicia has become the queen of the lake. She's in her element here. Let's see if she'll let me join her. She's having so much fun. Okay, I get it. This is her special place now. This is Cicia's territory now. She's claimed it as her own. What a day it's been. From sunrise to sunset, Mongolia has shown us its wonders. From exploring the vast landscapes that seem to go on forever to enjoying the tranquility of the lakes where time seems to stand still, Mongolia has truly amazed us. Its beauty is unparalleled. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Cicia and I hope to see you on our next journey. There's so much more to explore. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.